There is good and bad news about the ongoing wildfire threat across Texas. The good news, the devastating Eastland Complex fires that together burned more than 54,000 acres in North Texas are now 100% contained. But dry and breezy conditions mean the threat of more fires isn't over yet. And firefighters from across the state are pulling together. Grace White sat down with a firefighter from Spring who just got home after battling one of those fires.
The call came in, and 24 hours later, these firefighters had to pick up and go. They spent 7 nights away from home fighting the biggest fire they've seen in Texas.
For Jason Adams, it's good to be home. The Spring firefighter is back after facing the Eastland Complex fires in West Texas.
You have 6, 8, 10-foot flames, 40 miles an hour across the pasture. You can't get ahead of it. So the best thing you can do is go and try and save the houses that it's running towards.
His strike team's assignment, protecting 14 homes threatened by a spin-off fire.
Up there, it's a big farm and ranch community. So you've got people's houses, but also their livelihoods.
The 14 homes he was protecting were saved, but Adams says there were other areas that weren't as lucky.
I live in the country, and and I've been around cattle and stuff all my life, so it's like I have a soft spot in my heart for for people that are going through something like that.
And the hardest part of being away, thinking about his family back home.
I'm married with 3 kids, and it's just you tell them, say, hey, I'm going to be gone anywhere from 7 to 14 days. I love you, and good luck, I'll be back, so.
But the thank you he got from one of the families whose home he saved, a reminder of why it's more than a job, it's public service.
And she just came out and she gave us a hug. She's like, thank you so much, and it was just, that stuff like that, that's rewarding, and that makes it all worth it, to feel like you actually did make a difference.
And coming home with that in mind helps keep him ready for the next time he has to answer the call. Grace White, KHOU 11 News.